Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing gear and confirming race settings. Charge your Apple Watch fully and enable swim-friendly options. This reduces mid-race failures. Once done, open the workout or triathlon app, choose the triathlon profile, and confirm transitions are enabled so laps and rides link automatically. Make sure GPS and wrist fit are correct to avoid erratic pace or heart rate readings. Finally, sync routes and playlists from your phone so data and audio cues are ready before you step up to the start line. You now configure the multi-sport flow for smooth transitions. Open workout settings and build the swim, bike, run sequence with 2 transition segments. This ensures continuous activity logging. Once done, customize each discipline's display to show the most critical metrics: swim stroke rate, bike cadence and power, run pace and heart rate, so you don't need to dig through menus. Make sure auto pause is tuned for transitions and lap markers are set for course splits. This yields clear post-race analytics without you execute the race with focused, simple actions. Start the triathlon workout just before the gun, then hit start at the signal so timing is accurate. Use wrist taps or the side button to mark transitions quickly. During the bike and run, glance only at key metrics you preset to maintain rhythm. If your watch loses GPS or heart rate, pause briefly, toggle GPS, or restart the watch if necessary, and record a manual split so you keep consistent race logs and salvage post-race analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.